Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to change video quality or video resolution on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video. Let's tap on it, it should be on the left. And since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure we are on the video mode. So let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Let's tap on this three bars icon and let's take a look at the very top of this list of this bar. And here we've got some options which are connected to the video quality. So right now we've got 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second, and we can say that it is applied because obviously it is highlighted and you can see this yellow color around it. And in order to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on any other option. So you can choose either 720p or 1080p with 60 frames per second, or 4K. So let me pick another option, for example 4K. And as you can see, the camera blurred a little, and right now this option is highlighted, so it means that we just successfully applied it, and from now on the device will use the chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.